see. In this place we cannot feel. We're all traits to stop exciting and start living. It feels in our words, love enough for us growing. So make a better world, so make a better world. Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying, either coming up or living. So make a better place for you and for me. And the dream the world comes alive and will with a joyful face. And the world we once believed in will shine again in the grace. And why do we keep straying life? One is our positive soul. Love is planned to steal this world is